Sticking with food for a second, somebody over at Insider tried Arby's new burger and found it surprisingly delicious, but it probably shouldn't exist. That's a little bit rude. That looks like a good burger, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Wagyu in a burger.
Yeah, at a fast food joint.
It doesn't. None of it sounds real.
Yeah, it doesn't.
None of this sounds believable. But the burger itself, the picture looks amazing.
At least that picture.
Arby's new burger is a chain's first, and it's larger than a Big Mac. It tasted great, but the texture was off. And I don't want a pink fast food burger. It's too big and expensive to make sense for most customers. Arby's just introduced its first ever burger, the Wagyu Steakhouse Burger, available in 3 versions. The chain has been promoting the burger heavily. I haven't seen that, but there's not a lot of Arby's around here.
No.
There isn't.
Although I passed one, I was in Aurelia.
Oh,
There's
wow.
one in Aurelia.
Wow, it's surviving in Aurelia.
There's one in Aurelia, and there's one in, because I go to all these tournaments. I know what every town has. There's one in Oshawa, because I'll notice the sign, because I'll be like, damn.
Because it's rare.
There used to be one near here.
There's one in Peterborough.
See what I mean? It's on the outskirts.
Yeah.
But
They're
then
big in America, right?
But then they do all the advertising, and it's not even, like, they're advertising to you, Mo.
Yeah. Yeah. And I'm not even close to one.
Well, actually, you kind of are.
Aurelia, but
You kind of could. You
never
could make a
go-
little day trip.
could you imagine I go more north to do stuff?
For an Arby's sandwich? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, anyway. So they got this burger, and it's a really fancy burger for a place like Arby's. This person ordered the deluxe and bacon ranch variation. Now, I'm guessing because it's a... here we go. The burger is made of a blend. 52% American Wagyu and 48% ground beef, Arby's said. That's a high percentage.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I was impressed at first look. The burgers come with American cheese, lettuce, red onion, pickles, and special burger sauce on a brioche bun. It looked and smelled great. That looks good, guys, no?
Yeah.
Will,
I don't mind that.
are you traveling to this place for this?
I just might.
Arby's says the burgers are 6.4 ounces each, 50% larger than a McDonald's quarter pounder.
They got to start putting these in boxes.
Really?
You don't
Like
like the wrap?
McDonald's
What?
does it, you know?
Go ahead.
It's such a clean eating experience, and your burger doesn't look like it's smushed in tinfoil.
The box?
No, I'm saying the box versus the tinfoil or whatever this thing is wrapped
Yeah, but the
in.
box you got to use 2 hands.
Yeah, you're right. But that's okay. I don't mind using 2 hands. I just don't want to have to, like... It's a wrap at that point.
Don't get me started on wraps.
I know.
Don't get me started on wraps. There's a way to eat it. There's a way not to.
Yeah.
Mo.
But you don't think that this...
Easy.
You open the McDonald's box, and then you put the fries in at the other end, and you got your own plate.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
Well, it destroys the environment, though.
Does it? Like, more so than this?
I thought you were a protest guy.
Right. I got to protest about this.
Oh, man. Yeah.
Wow, they use the cooking method here. Sous vide?
Oh, wow.
Go ahead,
you
Will.
shoot
Go ahead, Will. Go ahead, Will.
That's pretty rare.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost
Especially for fast food, because
for fast food, yeah.
it takes a while.
Oh. It's like a low boil. Like they put in a plastic bag.
You can, like, really control the temperature of your meat that way. It's really cool.
It keeps the burgers pink at the center, but I guess it's a little safer because you know the minimum temperature of the whole thing without having to constantly check with a thermometer.
And you definitely don't want to overcook Wagyu beef. Right?
No.
Well, sure, but you're at a fast food place. You're trusting the employee there.
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying.
Right.
This is why
I'm sure they reach temperature and then they have to sear it, right?
Yes, they do sear it.
So
No, but I'm just saying it's not a thing you've ever been served before, a pink burger at a fast
Yeah.
food place.
Yeah.
They're supposed to be cooked through.
So it's a little...
So I want Will to try this for me.
Hey, I'll
I
try
gotta
it.
go to Aurelia to get this burger.
Well, it's not that. Dude, it's worse for me to do it.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. No, but by the time the burger gets here...
Wait.
What?
I might be able to, this coming weekend.
Oh,
I bet you where I'm traveling to. I'm not going to say where it is,
Obviously.
but I bet you I'm going to guess based on the type of town I'm going to.
Oh, wow. There are really none near.
No, they like to be outside of Toronto. They don't want to be in Toronto.
I wonder why.
Oh, there's techniques to it, man.
Okay.
There's techniques to it. Yeah. The people who really want it, they'll travel.
Like
Day
us.
trips.
It's worth it.
Oh, man. Anyway, yeah, so it's a big burger. And listen, if they're doing sous vide, I pretty much trust it. The flavor was good, but the texture was a bit softer and chewier than I'd prefer. Well, which one is it? Chewy or soft? You know what I mean? Soft and chewy? Wouldn't it be?
Can it be?
I don't know. Arby's first burger exceeded my expectations, but I still think it shouldn't have been attempted in the first place.
What?
Why? They have 3,000 locations, is known for roast beef. Oh. The burgers add unnecessary complexity to Arby's operation, which isn't set up for grill. Well, I don't know. Okay.
Well, that's their problem.
Yeah, I don't know.
He's like, this is too good to be
He
Arby's.
sounds like an investor, actually. He's starting to sound like you, Mo. Yeah. Mo's driving his Tesla and loving it. He's like, but this feature adds unnecessary complexity to the production. We're like, Mo, don't you just enjoy it? He's like, no.
So the burger is $7.99, which is affordable.
USD.
Yeah, USD.
It would be $10.49 here, 10.
For Wagyu, that's the cheapest Wagyu ever.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you should definitely try it, or at least get me one so I can.
Well, this weekend I can, but I can't get you one from there because I'm out of town, man.
Yeah.
I could do it if I gotta convince my kids. I would have to tell them that we have to do it.
They'll eat it.
No, they'll do it. Yeah, of course. You know them. They'll
Who
do
are we
it.
kidding?
They'll do it.